Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Cotton Creations. So remember the other day when I used those oyster mushrooms for my vegan chicken and waffles? Well, I saved a few and I'm going to try out some oyster mushroom. I won't say pulled pork because I think I'm gonna add some like chicken seasoning to make it more flavor like pulled chicken. But either way, I'm gonna try that out because I had a few left. And so I've already shredded the oyster mushrooms. So now I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on them. Put a little garlic powder, some salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna put these in the oven to bake. Oh yeah, and some smoked paprika so we can get that smoky flavor going. So maybe it will taste a little bit like pulled pork. I don't know. I'm gonna put a little bit of smoked paprika on it. Some garlic powder. No, I still haven't fixed it. We still doing it this way, but that's fine. Fine by me. A little salt. Pink Himalayan salt. What y'all know about that? And then some black pepper, and I'm gonna put one more spice. And then I'm gonna also add the Trader Joe's vegan chicken-less seasoning. What y'all know about that? Have y'all had that yet? It's so good. Take it up a notch. There we go. So I'm gonna just give this a nice little toss to make sure everything is coated. I might have to add a little bit more olive oil. A little bit so these can roast nicely in the oven. So until they're a little crispier. And then I'll come back and we'll finish them off with some barbecue sauce. And I think I got a little Jack Daniels left from my barbecue ribs. If y'all haven't seen my barbecue ribs recipe, it's on my YouTube channel, Cotton Creations. 2 words, no crazy spelling, just Cotton Creations on YouTube. And my jackfruit barbecue rib recipe is on my YouTube channel. Ooh, y'all need to get in here and see this. Looking good. I'm gonna spread them out so they can bake evenly. Good. Y'all see that? Smells good. So I'll be back once these are done roasting, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, I'm back, and the mushrooms are out of the oven. Okay, so they're roasted. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer these over to a little pan. Frying pan, and I'm going to saute them just for a little bit in some barbecue sauce. I'm gonna just use some Sweet Baby Ray's. That's what I got on hand right now. So just put a little bit of that in there, and then we're gonna put it on some heat for a little bit so we can get it warm up that barbecue sauce. Let it marry. Man, this only made a little bit. And watch it be really good. That's how it usually goes. Anyway, you can always hook it up, add some grape jelly, add some, vinegar, brown sugar, your favorite liqueur. Okay, like I said, I think I got a little bit of Jack left from a previous recipe, so I may throw a little bit of that in there. I don't know, we'll see. All right, so let's take this over to the stove and get this warmed up, and then I think I'm gonna eat it on some bread. Yeah. All right, so since this is only enough for like a half a sandwich, I lightly toasted a slice of bread just put that on there. Now, of course, you can put, what's it called? Of course, you can put some coleslaw if you have that on there to make it more like a traditional pulled pork or pulled chicken sandwich. But of course, this was on the fly. I didn't even know I was gonna make it. I'm gonna probably add a little bit more barbecue sauce to mine. And then, yeah, I'm gonna just eat some of this. Just a little bit, don't want too much. There we go. Let me show it to y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Let me take out a piece so y'all can see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That is hitting on something. Now that I can get down with the get down. I don't like talking about my mouth full, but let me tell you something. I'm going back to the 99-cent store. I'm gonna go get some more oyster mushrooms. Let's just say that. Okay. Wow. I'm highly impressed. The texture is pretty good. Like, it's not identical to pulled pork, but it's still a really good substitute. It absorbs the flavors really well. And it's definitely giving me that smoky barbecue flavor that yes, we're not even gonna get a picture today. I'm gonna just have to wait. Y'all need to try this. Don't sleep on the oyster mushrooms. They are really good. A really good meat substitute. Man, my taste testers is going to be happy. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching, and have a lovely day. I don't have the recipe for this yet. My first time trying it. But as soon as I get it, you know where to be. On my YouTube channel, of course, Cotton Creations. But thanks for tuning in with Cooking with Cotton Creations, and I'll be back real soon with another recipe. Have a good day and stay home and wash those hands. See y'all. Bye.